Welcome to our wonderful community. A community is a place where people live, work, and play together. But do you know who helps keep our community safe, clean, and running smoothly? That's right, our amazing community helpers. Let's meet some of them. Firefighters rush in to put out fires and keep us safe. They also rescue people and even help animals stuck in trees. Firefighters work day and night, ready to help whenever there's an emergency. Nurses are kind and caring helpers who make sure we stay healthy. They check our temperature, give medicine, and take care of us when we're sick or hurt. Nurses work in hospitals, clinics, and schools to help people feel better. They are always there with a smile and a helping hand. Teachers help us learn new things. They teach us how to read, write, and count. They help us understand the world around us and encourage us to ask questions and keep learning. Mail carriers deliver letters and packages to our homes. Rain or shine, they make sure we get our important mail right on time. Police officers help keep our communities safe. They make sure everyone follows the rules, help lost people find their way home, and protect us from danger. Doctors help keep us healthy. They check our heartbeat, make sure we're strong, and give us medicine when we're sick. They help us feel better and take care of people in hospitals and clinics. Construction workers build the homes, schools, and roads in our community. They use big machines and tools to create safe and strong buildings. Garbage collectors keep our streets clean. They pick up trash and recycling, making sure that our neighborhood stays fresh and healthy. They're big recyclers, and they encourage you always to recycle all the products from your home. Chefs cook delicious meals for us. They make sure we have tasty and healthy food at restaurants, schools, and even hospitals. Chefs get all of their ingredients for this yummy food from farmers. Let's take a look and see what the farmers do. Farmers give us the food we eat. They plant fruits and vegetables, take care of animals, and make sure we have fresh and healthy food on our tables. Paramedics are real-life heroes who help people in emergencies. They drive big ambulances with flashy lights and rush to help when someone is sick or hurt. They check your heartbeat, give first aid, and take people to the hospital if they need more care. Paramedics keep us safe and help us feel better. Our community helpers work hard every day to keep our city safe, healthy, and happy. The next time you see a firefighter, police officer, doctor, nurse, or teacher, or even the mail carrier or garbage collector, give them a big smile and say, "Thank you for helping our community."